Now we'll see the remaining tools in text. That's the few tools here. Right now it's not showing active because we haven't selected any text. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll select this particular, we'll make this into one paragraph. Okay, we'll delete the other text and keep this one paragraph, and I'll increase the font size so that you can view it very clearly. So now I'll select this particular text. Okay, I'll select this paragraph text here, and in text first we'll say is change case. Okay, as I click on change case, another window opens. So here you'll see the change case options. Okay, this is sentence case. If I click on sentence case, okay, so we'll see on single line first. We'll see this options. In a single line it is more easier for you to understand. So I'll increase the font size of this particular line. Okay, this is one single line I have typed here, and I'll go to text. First you need to select this text. Okay, I'll select the text first and go to text, and in change case we'll get this option. So this is as it is, this is sentence case. Sentence case means you can see the options here. The first one is the sentence case, in which the first line of a sentence, the first letter of a sentence, this is the first letter of a sentence is in capital. Click on lowercase, and if I click OK, all the characters or the lines or all the letters or the characters in this line becomes small. Okay, there is no capital words now. And again in change case, if you click on uppercase, all the letters on this line changes to capital. And change case, title case, all the first letter of every word changes to capital. Change case, the last is toggle case. That's the reverse case. That's the reverse case of sentence case. That means the first letter of each word is small and the rest of the words are in capital. That is how it changes. Again in text, in change case, what we'll do is, this is the default view. We'll change this to sentence case. Now it's in sentence case. So that's the use of change case. This is make test web compatible, means this is related to some if you're to web pages. So when you are into designing of web pages, that time you can know the use of this particular command. Okay, since now we are only learning the designing part of this software, will not get confused by going to that particular tool. That's the make web text web compatible. Okay, now this is convert to artistic text. Now this has shown you in the past also, like see, now this is the paragraph text. This is the para text, you can say. The circle what you see, the dotted box what you see, this is the dotted box. The text is surrounded with the dotted line, and there's two hangers on the top. See, this is the top and this is the bottom. Okay, these are the two hangers of that paragraph box. If you enlarge or if you move these particular boxes, it will not show any effect on the text. Okay, only unless you move your hanger point through the text, then only it gets hidden, the text gets hidden. So if you pull this box, then the text is completely viewable now. Okay, if you want to hide the text, some of the text, you can overlap that box or go through that the small box. You can go through that particular text and it hides that text. So this is called the paragraph text. Now what we are saying is the convert to artistic text, the shortcut for which is Control F. If I press this, now the paragraph text, see what the paragraph box what you are seeing, that is called paragraph text. See, this is, that was before it was paragraph text. Okay, now it has changed to artistic text. In artistic text you will not get that option of the paragraph text options. Like if you want, if you are you see the dotted line what was there in the paragraph text, it doesn't it disappears, and both the top and bottom boxes, it also disappears along with that. Okay, now if you pull this in artistic text, what you get is the small boxes to every individual word here, and a small some larger boxes throughout the text, through which you can change the look of the this artistic text, or you can squeeze or enlarge or decrease the font size or the font view. Okay, suppose if I click on any of the box and drag, it enlarges the text. Okay, if I click on the corner box here, if any of the 4 corners of this box, these are the 4 corners, 1, 2 and 3, 4. If I click on this box and drag, then it enlarges the text, enlarge or decreases the text size proportionately. Proportionately means from wherever you drag it. Okay, but if you drag the mouse through these 4 boxes, these 4 boxes, that's not on the corner but it's the center of the text, the top center and the left and right center. If you drag that boxes, it squeezes the text. Okay, the default view of the text changes to some other format. It squeezes the text. The same way, if you enlarge if you pull the box, the top or bottom box, it squeezes the text. That is how the artistic text works. Okay, that's the use of artistic text. And suppose this is the artistic text, I have made some changes, and again if I want this to be in paragraph text, I'll go to convert to paragraph text, and as soon as I convert that text to paragraph, so see the text has the text view has changed, it has come to its has become the default view, and the fonts have been by default enlarged. Okay, now here if you want to change the font size, you need to select the text and then you can change the text size. Okay, this is how you can change the text view. This is the paragraph text, and the other is the artistic text. You can convert that artistic text to paragraph text, or paragraph text to convert to paragraph text, or paragraph text artistic text to paragraph text, or paragraph text to artistic text. The shortcut for which is Ctrl F8. Suppose if I press Ctrl and F8 through my keyboard, it changes to paragraph text. Okay, if I press Ctrl and F8, it changes to artistic text. This is artistic text, and this is paragraph text. Okay, this is the use of convert to artistic text, and this is the use of that particular tool to change the artistic text to paragraph or paragraph text to artistic text. Okay, next is text statistics. In statistics, you get to know the number of words, the number of lines, or the number of paragraphs here on the text. See, there is a single paragraph, so there is a single paragraph written here. There are 2 lines, the lines are 2 words. If you count, these are 15, so you can find this here. Characters, these are 15, these are the words. Like characters means this one single word, one single letter in each word, that's the character. And fonts used, what kind of fonts have been used, that's the word. So this you can find it here. Go to text and text statistics. Okay, this is non-printing area. Suppose if you click this, you will see the non-printing text. Like first, these are the non-printing text. If you want to view the non-printing text, you can view it by clicking on this show non-printing text and show non-printing text. See, wherever there is space, there's a dot here. These are all the non-printing text. While printing, this will not be on the page. Okay, so if you want to view the non-printing text, you can view it from here, show non-printing characters. Okay, and these are what the font what font has been used. If you want to see that we have already seen. So font list option is like, you click on this and you drag your mouse, again click here, you'll get it automatically goes to the another, it has a linking to website which is myfont.com, from where you can select few words, and through net you can find what font had been used in that text, in that sheet. So this is how you make use of this font list options. So suppose if you don't know the font, here you can from here you can understand what the font is, but sometime it happens is that you get a file from somewhere else and there is a font missing. So if you want to find those particular font, you can do that through this font list options. So that normally it can be done through any image. Like if you insert an image and if there's a text in that image, you can go to this text font list options and you can see. I'll show you this later on. First we'll learn about how to insert an image. Okay, after we insert an image, we will see the finding of fonts from that particular image. Okay.